Are you struggling to find the right warehouse shed that meets your specific needs? Finding a functional and reliable warehouse shed can be a daunting task. With so many standard options out there, it's easy to waste time and money on structures that just don't fit your unique requirements. But what if there was a smarter, more efficient way to handle your storage needs? Introducing our customizable warehouse shed construction service. We specialize in designing and building warehouse sheds that are tailored to your exact specifications, ensuring you get the optimal space and functionality. Our experienced team collaborates with you from concept to completion, whether you need extra storage for equipment, inventory, or seasonal supplies. Each shed is crafted using high-quality materials, offering durability and protection, no matter what you're storing. With our warehouse sheds, you'll gain the necessary space and organizational capabilities to streamline your operations. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.